Hi, I'm Adam. I'm going to show you around the School of Physics and show you some of the facilities that you'll need to know about in your first year of study here. So let's go take a look. So this is the lobby area. So you can see we have a distinctive pendulum over there, and to our right over here is the Physics Lecture Theatre. So the Physics Lecture Theatre is where you may have some of your first lectures and a place you might spend a lot of time in. This is the higher year teaching laboratory. So in the second and higher years for physics, this is where you'll do your labs. You can see there's some X-ray diffraction experiments here on the right. Also there's quantum physics and electrical experiments in here too. So here we are at the first year teaching laboratory. So this is where you'll have all your labs for first year, as well as problem solving workshops, which are similar to a tutorial. The experiments in here range from things like Newtonian mechanics and rotational mechanics, generally like introductory physics experiments, which can be quite interesting. Just a note on safety, make sure when you come to the first year labs you're wearing closed-toed shoes. And remember, put your drink or food in your bag or don't bring it in the door. It's the best thing to do for safety reasons. So now I'll go upstairs and I'll show you where the study lounge is. Right, so this is the first year study room. So sometimes there'll be professors or people in here to help you with questions you might have about the coursework. Sometimes you might come here with your fellow students and write up the questions on the board and solve them together. We've also got lots of resources in here that you can use, like physics textbooks and maths textbooks, so it's a great place to check out. Here we can see this is one of the labs for the National Fabrication Facility. It's a centre of excellence which is funded by the Australian Research Council. They have some lasers in here, and the facility itself works to produce silicon chips. So let's go take a look downstairs at some of the other labs. So here we are outside of a nanoelectronics laboratory. So in here they do quantum physics experiments that involve biological components. Lots of interesting stuff going on in here, so let's take a look further on. Here we've arrived at a fleet lab. This is future low energy and emission technology. So in here they do experiments. You can see there's a liquid helium chamber there, so that's works with cryogenics. Keeps things really cold. Let's go take a look at some of the other labs. Here we are at a quantum computation and communication laboratory. So if you're entering into here, you have to wear a special suit. This is to make sure that there's no external particles that are coming in and to keep the place really clean. Maybe you'll end up doing some research in here during your studies. Thanks for joining me on the tour of the building. Hope to see you around when you're a student here. Thanks.